Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we create this model in FreeCAD. Okay, let's start. First, we need to create a new sketch. Then we need to select YZ plane. And then we need to sketch the pole sketch. Use polar 1. Quickly sketch constraint horizontal. Next we need to make 25, 80, 60. Okay, the sketch is a constraint falling constraint. Leave the sketch close. Then we need to use pad and 110 pad 110. We need to use symmetrical to play. Okay. Next we need to create this cut feature. So we need to create a new sketch. Select XY plane. Then create a rectangle. Oh, we need to select a view sketch. Select these two constraint symmetrical. Next, make dimension. This 40, 25. Okay, leave the sketch. Next, we need to use pocket. Reversed. Okay. Next, we need to create a hole. Select this face and create a new sketch on the face. So create circle. Make dimension. We need create the external geometry, this line. Then make dimension 25 and this 6 millimeter. 25. This. Leave the sketch. Pocket. Slow all. Okay. Next, select the face again and create another new sketch. External geometry, this circle. Then create a new circle. Dimension, diameter, 12. Okay, leave the sketch. Next, pocket. Oh, sketch of 5 cm. Okay. Next, we need hold Control keyboard and select to future, mirror future. Select XZ plane, basis. One, two. Hey, why not? Future. Select X basis. Okay. Next, we need to transfer these two 4H 3mm. Transfer works only on part. Yes. Just select 2x. Transfer 3mm. Okay, and these 2H fillet 6mm. Okay, we quickly finishing their model. Okay, thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye. See you next video.